Gareth, tell me about the precautions that you guys have put in place since lockdown was eased.
We've put together one-way systems through the changing rooms, increased cleaning regimes. They are signposted with certain slots where you can get changed where you can't. We've also changed our setup on the pool side, double lanes, and decreased the amount of people that can swim at any one time. Sessions are booked on time slots. You have to book a slow, medium or fast lane, and you'll be directed to which lane where you come in.
They've got all the social distancing right. They've got, you know, everything is in place, and I feel completely safe here, and it's a really good decision to come back.
But on a personal note, I mean, how does it feel kind of being back and being back, you know, in the leisure centre and doing what you do?
It feels really good. The last 2 weeks have been really hectic, but now that we're open and the customers are back, it feels like we've got a bit more structure. We're lucky here that we've got a really good pool-based team. All the leisure attendants are in all weekend, ready for a Monday opening, doing staff training, competency tests. But their attitude to work has been really good, and I think you'll see that with the sessions that take place on poolside. We want everyone to feel confident coming back. We want people to see that we're making quite a big increased effort in making sure things are clean. The sessions are safe, but they're also going to be fun and enjoyable for everyone as well at the same time.
We've been off for 4 months now, haven't we? 4 months without Zumba. It's just been brilliant, relieved really, because through lockdown, though I've been walking, I got arthritis in my knees. So I was stiffening up again, you know, beginning to feel old again. So it's just wonderful, yeah. I'm tired, but I feel wonderful. I look a mess, but I feel wonderful.